To me, giving back is essential to who we are and what we do. When we were looking at how we were going to make an impact in the community, the Humane Society, it stuck out because, these are animals that might not have another chance at life.
We are here to make sure that animals are treated humanely. It's spay-neutering, it's adoptions, it's care for animals that are sick. We couldn't really do what we do without donors like Above and Beyond.
This service that we're doing today will allow them to have a much more comfortable environment. We partnered with Lennox to get all brand new heating and cooling systems.
Above and Beyond has been truly a partner with us. Really, we've relied on them for everything that we need in order to keep our animals safe, and having that peace of mind is really important to the Oklahoma Humane Society.
ServiceTitan has been a huge growth factor for our business. It has allowed us to expand, become more efficient, which then provides us the opportunity to generate revenue so then we can take part of that and give back into our community.
It goes beyond just HVAC. They've donated money to us. Their employees come in and help the animals, walk dogs, pet cats.
We're all pretty much animal lovers here, and we just want that same love and care to be extended to all those dogs that don't have it.
Because people trust us to come into their homes and provide a service for them, a service they need. And I think that extends into us being just a good steward of the community.